Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add tables to your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in WordPress, and when you got it, you just want to click on pages or posts. And when you're gonna have a post, let's open it. And right here, you just want to click whatever you want, add a block, and then just right here tables. And voila, here you got it. So first, insert table for sharing data. Column count, let's go with the 5. Row count with the 5. Pretty simple. And now you can just easily write here whatever you want. And you can also like edit the rows here. Really play around it with stripes. You can add a column after, delete a column, and then you just like really play around it as much as you want. You got color settings that you can edit. Header section. Then you have like styles here and some advanced additional CSS. And this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but this is how you can add tables in WordPress. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.